NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 7, Exercise 7.3, Question 3. What type of quadrilateral do the points A. 2 minus 2, B. 7 3, C. 11 minus 1, and D. 6 minus 6, taken in that order, form? Let us find the answer. We are given 4 points A, B, C, D. We need to find the type of the quadrilateral ABCD, whether it is a parallelogram or if it is a rectangle, square, or such. A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if diagonals bisect each other. A parallelogram is a rectangle if diagonals are equal in length. A rectangle is a square if adjacent sides are equal in length. In given quadrilateral ABCD, AC and BD are the diagonals, AB and BC are the adjacent sides. First we shall check if diagonals bisect each other, and then we will check if diagonals are equal in length, and then we will go for if the adjacent sides are equal in length. First let us check if diagonals bisect each other. To check if diagonals bisect each other, we need to check if midpoint of diagonal AC is equal to midpoint of diagonal BD. First let us compute midpoint of diagonal AC. Consider vertex A as x1, y1 and vertex C as x2, y2. The formula for the midpoint is x1 plus x2 by 2, average of the x coordinates, y1 plus y2 by 2, average of the y coordinates. x1 is 2 plus x2 is 11 by 2, y1 is minus 2 plus y2 is minus 1 by 2. 2 plus 11 is 13, 13 by 2, minus 2 minus 1, minus 3 by 2. Now let us find the midpoint of the diagonal BD. Consider vertex B as x1, y1 and vertex D as x2, y2. And the midpoint formula is average of the x coordinates, average of the y coordinates. x1 is 7 plus x2 is 6 by 2, y1 is 3 plus y2 is minus 6 by 2. 7 plus 6 is 13 by 2, 3 minus 6 is minus 3 by 2. We have found the midpoints of the two diagonals AC and BD. And from these two we can say that midpoint of diagonal AC is equal to midpoint of diagonal BD. Diagonals bisect each other. Therefore, quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Next we shall check if this parallelogram can become a rectangle. And for that we will check if the diagonals are equal in length. Let us check if diagonals are equal in length. What are the diagonals? Diagonals are AC and BD. First let us compute the length of the diagonal AC. Consider vertex A as x1, y1 and vertex C as x2, y2. Distance between these 2 points is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Let us substitute A and C in the distance formula. x2 is 11 minus x1 is 2 whole square plus y2 is minus 1 minus y1 is minus 2 whole square equal to root over 11 minus 2 is 9 square plus minus 1 plus 2 is 1 square. 9 square is 81, 1 square is 1, root over 82. Length of the diagonal AC is root over 82 units. Now let us compute length of the diagonal BD. Consider the vertex B as x1, y1, vertex D x2, y2. Length of the diagonal BD is equal to root over, distance formula is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Root over x2 is 6 minus x1 is 7 whole square plus y2 is minus 6 minus y1 is 3 whole square equal to root over 6 minus 7 is minus 1 and minus 6 minus 3 is minus 9. Minus 1 whole square is 1, minus 9 whole square is 81. Root over 82. From what we have found, we can say the diagonals AC and BD are equal in length, which means parallelogram ABCD is a rectangle. Now we shall check if rectangle ABCD can be a square. To check if rectangle is a square, we need to verify that adjacent sides are equal in length, and the adjacent sides are AB and BC. Therefore, we need to find the lengths of AB and BC. Let us compute the adjacent sides AB and BC. Length of AB. Consider vertex A as point x1, y1 and vertex B x2, y2. Distance between these 2 points is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now let us substitute point A and point B in this formula. Root over x2 is 7 minus x1 is 2 whole square plus y2 is 3 minus y1 is minus 2 whole square. 7 minus 2 is 5. 3 minus of minus 2 is 5. Root over 25 plus 25. Root over 50. Length of the side AB is root over 50 units. Now let us find the length of the side BC. Let us consider vertex B as point x1, y1 and vertex C as point x2, y2. Distance formula between these 2 points is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square equal to root over x2 is 11 minus x1 is 7 whole square plus y2 is minus 1, y1 is 3 whole square equal to root over 11 minus 7 is 4, minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. 4 square is 16, minus 4 whole square is 16. Root over 32. Therefore, length of the side BC is root over 32. From length AB and BC, we can say that length of adjacent sides are not equal. Therefore, rectangle ABCD is not a square. And from all our observations, we can conclude that given quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle.